Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install Tailswift 7.4.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Tailswift's official website and download. It is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.4.1. Scroll down, then click on this burning a Tails DVD. Then see here we have the download Tails 7.4.1 ISO image. Click on it. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Then select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Click on next. Select operating system, guest operating system as Linux and version as Debian Linux. Then click on next. Then provide the name Tails. This is just virtual machine name. And this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path where you want to install. Then click on next. Provide the virtual hard disk size. I'm giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is a summary. If you want to modify any one of this hardware information, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Click on customize hardware. Use this pointer, or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Then click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or just select it and go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.4.1, and hit enter. See, these are the default language and formats. If you want to modify any one of them, just click on them and select the language. If you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on. If you don't want, keep it as turn off. And additional settings, click on here. See, these are the default values set. If you want to set the password for administration, you have to just click on it. Confirm the same. Then click on add. See, by default MAC address anonymization is on. If you don't want, you have to turn off. Okay, I don't want. I'm not going to change. Then if you are okay with these settings, then click on start Tails. See here tar connection. If you want to connect automatically, just select this connect to tar automatically and click on connect to tar. Okay, it is establishing connection. Open terminal or console. Increase the font size. Now verify the version more / etc os-release. See, we have installed Tails OS 7.4.1 and its ID is like Debian. Okay, the first step after connecting to Tails OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the administration. Hit enter. See here in the background, so connected to tar successfully. Click on the start tar browser. Is successfully connected to tar. Verify the version of the tar. Help about tar browser. See, we have installed 15.0.4. Provide the password of the administration. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailswift 7.4.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.